Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sign up on Changely. First, open your browser and go to changely.com. On the home page, tap Sign Up in the top right corner. Now, enter your email address, create a password, and agree to the terms. You can also sign up using Google, Apple, or Facebook if you prefer. Next, check your inbox and open the verification email from Changely. Click the link to activate your account. Once you're verified, that's pretty much it. Your Changely account is ready. And remember, Changely is non-custodial platform, so you don't need to create a wallet here. You'll simply use your own wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet whenever you make an exchange. Now you're all set to start swapping crypto safely and easily. And that's it. That's how to sign up on Changely. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.